Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do a neat braid down. Here I have my accessory rack that I usually just throw my extra hair on, and I'm going to put the link in the bio for that. So, did you know that you can make actually really good money just being a braid down assistant? All you have to know how to do is separate the hair, like pre-prep the hair for the clients and do a neat braid down, and you can make a lot of money because my assistants made good money just separating hair and braiding down. So I'm going to be showing you two different ways to braid down. This way is the way that I do it, which is it's way faster for me. It's more than one way to braid down, but I find this way to be the most effective and like the smoothest way to do it, and I get the neatest braid down when I do it this way. So I separated my hair into 3 even pieces. 3 even pieces is important because it makes the braid even and neat. If you have one piece that's too small or too big, the braid will not look right going down. It will not be smooth. It will not be uniform. So make sure your 3 pieces are the same. So if you watch my hand movements closely, you see that my thumbs are in the front and I kind of do a pinch and I wrap the piece behind my pointer finger and grab it with my middle finger. This is usually like the hardest thing to teach people, especially if they're used to doing it a different way. But once you learn it, easy peasy, and it's just really fast. So this is a good way to do it. Okay, so once again, watch how I pinch it with my thumb and pointer finger, and I wrap it behind my pointer finger and I grab it with my middle finger. And I'm just doing that on both hands, going back and forth. So pinch, wrap it behind, pinch, wrap it behind, and just keep with that motion and you'll be down the braid in no time and it'll be very neat. So here's another way to do it that I see a lot of people do it. So you're just going to go under the middle and grab the side. So you're always going to go under the middle piece and you're going to grab the piece that's on the side. And again, you're just going to do that back and forth, left to right, under the middle, and grab the side piece. And I see a lot of people who do it this way that braid really fast also. So this is a great way to do it too. Both ways work equally the same. It just depends on what you're used to or which one feels more comfortable. But they both will give you a neat even braid going down. So if you learn how to braid down really good, really neat, really fast, you can make some good money. And this is a really great job for teenagers. So in the summertime, I would always have the teenagers come help me to braid down. It would give them good experience, and they would also make some good money doing it. So and some braid shops too, they hire people just to braid down. So keep that in mind. Get good at it and make some extra money.